Today we're going to do a quick video on how to make homemade steak fries. This recipe, super simple. You're just going to take your potato, trim off some of that excess skin because you really don't need it. Once we get that done, we're going to cut these steak fries into about 1/8 of an inch thick and then however wide you want them. Here, I make mine about 1/2 inch wide. You're going to want to make sure that before you start trimming the skin off, that you go ahead and you wash these potatoes, make sure they're nice and clean. And here I am, slicing them to the width I want. Then when we're done, we're just going to set them to the side. Here I'm going to show you 2 ways on how to cook the potatoes. First one, we're going to get a cookie sheet, cover it in aluminum foil. We're going to pour some vegetable oil on it, your choice, and then we're going to spread the fries through the oil. Once we get the fries nice and coated with oil, we're going to go ahead and we're going to throw any seasoning you would like on your fries. Here, I'm going to use Lawry's seasoning. Coat them generously or coat them to taste. It just depends on how you like it. Remember, it's all about flavor and the way you like it. Our other option to cook these fries is going to be in a deep fryer. Here, I have my 4-quart deep fryer. I'm going to add about half the potatoes you see into the deep fryer for the first batch. The deep fryer is set at 375 degrees. I'm going to cook these fries for roughly 5 to 6 minutes at that temperature. After deep frying these fries, I'm going to throw them in a bowl, sprinkle some more seasoning on top, and gently toss them so they get coated. After this, I would put it on a wire rack to let any grease residue drain from the fries. And there you have it. A simple, easy recipe to make some steak fries. While you're here, smash that subscribe, hit the like, and turn on the bell notifications so you get some more amazing recipe videos sent your way. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.